Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to show you an easy song by Julie Doiron, August 10, on acoustic guitar. This is a great song for beginners or anyone else who wants to learn it. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key is C major. We're going to start by doing a riff that sounds like this. And we're going to do that by simply going to fret 5 on the high E string and playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fret 4, open. So that's 5 hits on fret 5, 1 on fret 4, and then 1 open. And that's our riff. We'll follow that with a C major 7 chord, and we're going to make the C major 7 chord by placing a finger on the A string fret 3 and the D string fret 2, and we're going to strum from the A string like this. So we need 4 brisk strums. We're going to mute right after we play that chord, just like that, just by releasing the fingers. Don't take your fingers off the fretboard, just release the pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll play an open A suspended ninth chord by going to the A string and strumming downward like this. That's A suspended ninth. Then we'll go back to our riff. So let's do the entire thing. We'll repeat that for the verses. As we are finishing the first verse, we'll play this. One, 2, 3. And we'll go back into it. So we're going to play and stop, and there's silence. So it's 1, 2, 3. For that we went then we're back into the song once again for verse 2. Now after we've done those verses, we're going to go to a G chord and strum like this. So that strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. And that's a G chord. And I'm forming that chord by placing a finger on fret 3, the low E string, fret 2 on the A string, and holding down the B string at fret 3 and the high E string at fret 3. So I can move to this next chord, which is a C major 7, this way, just by moving my fingers down like that. So I'm going to start here and then go straight down, right? And when I get there, I'm going to go. Now what I'm doing there is I've got my C major 7 chord, and that's down, up, down, up, down, up, and then I'm going to put that ring finger on the B string at fret 3 and strum down like that. So it's just like that. And that chord we get when we put that finger in is a C add 9. So I've got down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, and then I'm going to go back into that chord thing. Just like that. Now we'll be playing that until the ending, and as we end it, we'll end it this way. So our ending is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then the open chord, C major 7. And that ends our song. Well, my friends, that's how I play August 10 on acoustic guitar. And you can play it the exact same way on electric guitar. Just add a little distortion and you've got it. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.